What's up everyone? Welcome back to our channel. For today's video, I'm going to teach you on how to get AI generated stickers on WhatsApp. First thing you need to do is to check if your WhatsApp is running in the latest version. Go over to your App Store and search WhatsApp. Now once the WhatsApp is updated, then in here, go over to your chats and then select one to open the chat. Once you're inside the chat, tap the sticker icon right here. Next, tap again the sticker icon, then tap the create button. Note that this kind of feature of WhatsApp is not yet available to all users. So as you can see on my screen, it's not there, but for you it might be added. So once you tap the create button, then it will redirect you to the create AI stickers tab. Just simply describe the sticker that you want to create. Once you've done that, simply wait for it to finish generating the sticker. Then choose what sticker you want to send and tap it. That's about it. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. If you have any questions, drop them below and we'll see you on the next video.